Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, the red button there. And go over and click that notification button so that way you're notified every time I upload a video. So today I have my Walmart beauty box unboxing. I have an unboxing that I want to share with you from this company. It's a UK European company and it's called Perditi, and they have beautiful jewelry, but we'll get into that. And then I have another item that I found on Walmart. So let's get into the Walmart and then I'll save the jewelry for last. All right, so this is the Walmart beauty box. This is how it comes. They have the nice springy green and white flower. Embrace your beauty this spring. Show off your fabulous self. Beauty box at Walmart. Beautybox.walmart.com at Walmart Beauty Box. And that is what's inside the box. And it has this card here for Walmart Beauty. And you enter to win a $100 gift card from this. And it says, tell us what you think about your Walmart Beauty Box in a brief survey and visit beautyboxsurvey.com. Oh, I can do that. Embrace your beauty, and then they want you to rate it. This is how it looks in the box. And okay, so let's start with the first one. This is moisturizing body wash, and this is from Soft Soap. I used their hand soap. Can't wait to try the body wash. Coconut and fig. And let's see. And it smells really good too, you guys. So, yes, can't wait to try that out. So this is Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. And this is for, wet skin moisturizer. So you use this, and this is for fair to medium tone skin. And you use this one, apply on wet skin after shower with the water turned off. So soon once you turn that water off, you're going to apply this to your skin. It's supposed to glide on evenly to your wet skin. All right, let's see if it's moisturizing. Like they say, when they say it's moisturizer, you want to try it out. And I can let y'all know if it's moisturizing. And oh yeah, okay, you see that? Yeah, it's moisturizing. Ooh, yeah, you see that? Anytime you can see that it's coming on, it's moisturizing your skin, that's going to be a good one. Can't wait to try this out. After opening, you're using 12 months, so it's good shelf life as well. So this is it from Jergens, and as you can see, yes. Okay, so next product is, this Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. And this is the container it comes in, and it's crushed macadamia and rice milk. Okay, reveals smooth and silky skin with new Dove exfoliation body polish. By exfoliation, restoring your skin's natural nutrients. Okay, here we go. Yes. So you also use this in the shower as well, or in the bath. You scoop some on your hand and then you apply it all over your body in circular motions. Rinse it off. It's supposed to give you that extra exfoliation for your skin. Next up, this is the Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. And you know I love face masks. And this one is nourishing and restoring your skin. It has donkey milk, salmon eggs, extract, and you leave this on 15 to 20 minutes and then you relax. Okay, so you clean your skin, you tone, and then you add your serum over your face, and then you apply this for 20 minutes and you'll be beautiful, shining, and gorgeous. All right, next. Okay, so this is the last product here. This is the new Garnier Whole Blend Gentle Shampoo and Conditioner here. And these are both gentle. They are wholesome, loving, caring blend for natural, beautiful hair for your everyday. It's supposed to like take all of that out. It has oat milk and rice cream extracts. Okay, so then they have, so they're just telling you a little bit about everything. This is the body wash. I used their hand soap already, so yeah. And then this is the whole blends here. So that's for the conditioner and the shampoo. I'm always impressed with Walmart beauty box because they give you more of the skincare, the body washes, the lotions, the moisturizer. As you can see, that jergen still have my hands moisturized. And I love skincare as well as beauty and makeup, but this is really a good one to always get, and it's $5 and you just pay for the shipping. The box is free. I'm excited about the face mask. Can't wait to try this Jergens right after the shower, and body wash, and then polish, the Dove polish. So I would rate this one a 7. I really like this. I think I've had this one in one before and someone wanted to try it, so I gave this one away. So I have a chance to try it. Walmart did a pretty good job at this one. So yes, I will be trying all of these products and let you know what I think about them. Okay? So that's for the Walmart beauty box. We got one more item from Walmart, which came in this. So yes, let's open this one together. So yes, it's this one I found on Walmart, and let me tell you why I ordered this. Let's pull out the order form here. I ordered the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This was on sale. You know, they're normally $21, and this was on sale for $15.99. And I was like, oh, what is going on? But it was from a different, they sell on Walmart.com. You can get it from different seller. So they were selling it. And girl, I brought it. Yes, when you see Anastasia Beverly Hills brow products on sale, you better grab it. And it's in dark brown, which is my color. And here's the container. And let me see, the seller is... So Sal Lux, you can probably look it up online. Or you guys can look her up on Walmart.com and get your own Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Save about $6. And yay. So let's see. Sometimes people, from their stores, they buy them wholesale and they can sell them for less. And yes. Oh, okay. So sometimes people are like, is it used? No, it better not be used costing that much money. Yeah, you see that? It's not. It's pretty. Yeah, it's fresh. Let's see. Yeah, you see that? It's fresh. I'm like, it better not be used. You don't do that. Not no brow products. Okay, so here it is. It's in dark brown. Brow Wiz. Right there. Next up will be Perditi Jewelry. And I reached out and, hey, I got it. So, yes, I do get things at discounted prices and for free because, I want to review them. So first, okay, so each piece comes with the card, basically saying it's real. And then you have 24 months to use this from your purchase date. So if anything happens to it, they will guarantee replace it. So I love that. That shows that, they stand by their jewelry. And this is so cute. So this is called the Cure Bracelet, and this is in the silver. A girl loves silver. And it has the name across there. If you can see it, I'll pull it up close. Yes, and that is really cute. And it is really still, you guys. It is super cute. Let's put it on so we can see how it looks on me. Oh, okay. And you see it doesn't bend or anything like that. It holds. And it's open this side here. Yeah, it's open on that side. But I like how it falls. So that's pretty cute. Bracelet, and this retails UK for $38, which is US is $45. That's how much this retail for. Absolutely love it. It is really good quality. As you can see, I'm not going to take it off and show you. Yeah, it's really good quality. No bending, nothing. You see that? It's really pretty. And then this the silver is gorgeous on that. You can see it. Yay. I am happy. Yes. Love this. It is super cute, you guys. Super cute. Okay, so check them out. Yes, this is authenticity card for this one. Okay. So I'll leave it on. I'm going to go through the next piece. Okay, so here we go with the next piece. And it also comes with the authenticity card right there. And as you can see here, covers up to 24 months of your purchase date. And anything like that, they will get it as long as you have your invoice, and they will replace it, which means they stand by their jewelry. So I absolutely love that. Ooh, this is gorgeous, you guys. This is the necklace, and look at that charm. Hold on, put it on my hand so you can see it. Oh, look how beautiful that is. So that is the charm. And here is the necklace here. It's silver. You know, I absolutely love silver. You can see that. I'm trying to zoom it in. Okay, let's try this on. Let's try it on and see how it looks. Here's the necklace on me. Oh, I like it, you guys. And it comes in silver. So, yay. This is the Amoti silver necklace, and this retails for $48 UK, and the US was $53. Yes, I'm excited about it. And also the bracelet. Oh, I absolutely love it. I love the quality of it, and the fact that they come with the authenticity card, which means, you know, they stand by their jewelry and they'll replace it. So it's great quality, you guys, and I absolutely love it. They're pretty cute. That is it for this video. Like I said, the Walmart beauty box was rated a 7. As you can see, the Anastasia Beverly Hills I found on Walmart.com, and it was at a discounted price, so go check it out. And then the jewelry, love it. So yes, just a little quick update. I'll link all the information below for this company, the Perditi, and I will also link the information if you want to buy items from my store. I have a shop on Etsy. You know, I sell beauty and bath products. So go check that out. You can also contact me directly, and I will, you know, take your order and send it to you, deliver it, or send it to you if you're not in my area. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment below. I'd like to hear from you guys. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I do a weekly product of the week every Wednesday on my Instagram, and I share it throughout, which I want you guys to be a part of. Go ahead and give this video a big like, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and follow on me. I would love to have you. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Yeah.